Hello there guys and gals, good afternoon to each every one of you. As you can see, I have here a trolleys. It's already malfunctioned, can't be used anymore because of improper use. That's why it's stuck and it can't be moved or can't, how do you call this thing? Expand this one. So I have to, it can't bend. I can't really bend it anymore. So I have to sell this there at the junk shop. So we're here again in Taytay Rizal. Hold on. Jaran! It's working. So how can I make this? For how much this would be? This could be my day 15, guys and gals, of disposing all my junkies at home, and it will convert into cash. So you can do it also, guys and gals, if you have junkies or other scraps. Sell it. Hi! This is Ate Salve. How are you, Ate Salve? So shout out to every one of you. For how many kilos? Grabe, 6 lang. Uy, bakit? Di ba malaki ang bakal? Ha? 78 pesos, guys and girls. So shout out to each every one of you, okay? To all my silent subscribers, to my people, to all my Facebook viewers, to all my lovely countries, to each every one of you. And who else? So all my first viewers who never get out of my masterpiece, selling Carreta to Rocky Bashi. So keep on going, guys and gals. You know how to start hard, go for it. And if you think of any means, any additional income, make it, okay? For live streaming to people and additional income. Bye for now.